This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Flavia Burl. Impeccably built ranch home in an idyllic neighborhood. This superb custom 4-bedroom home boasts an open floor plan with cathedral ceilings, skylights, a custom brick fireplace, and a master on the main floor. The gourmet kitchen takes center stage, crowning the living room and dining room with a large quartz island, custom white cabinets, subway tile backsplash, and black stainless appliances. The master bedroom features a tray ceiling partition with ceiling beams and perfectly positioned transom windows. The master bathroom has it all: a soaking tub, a ceramic tiled shower, water closet, double sinks, lots of cabinets, a makeup vanity, and heated ceramic tile floors. Through the master walk-in closet, one can reach either the exercise room with rubber gym flooring or the laundry/mud room with cubbies. The second bedroom, which sports a cathedral ceiling, transom windows, and French glass doors, is ideal as a home office. The other two bedrooms, privately placed on the other side, and share a flexible 2-room full bathroom. The dining room opens into a large, screened porch with beautiful backyard views. The grassy backyard is framed by woods and can be accessed from the deck off the screened porch. This smart home was built by Keystone Construction in 2019. Apps on your smartphone control the security system, all lights, sound, HVAC, and garage doors. The HVAC system is located in the tall condition crawl space, which provides a sprawling space for storage. Among its high-quality finishes are LP Smartside siding, engineered hardwood, ceramic tile, carpet, quartz countertops, custom cabinets, and Trex decking. This home is the perfect combination between form and function with its sleek design and friendly floor plan, Daniel floor plan. It is in pristine condition and move-in ready. High-speed internet with Smithville.